If you're a beginner wanting to learn web development from scratch in a step-by-step process, you've come to the right place. Hi, Martin here from MDP Web Development. This channel was created to help beginners understand and learn web development from scratch, learning the three main technologies of web development: HTML, CSS and JavaScript. You will learn how to create, deploy and maintain modern, optimized and stylish websites in a step-by-step fashion. There are many web development frameworks out there that can help us in our web development, but it's crucial to have a solid foundation of the three pillars of web development: HTML, CSS and JavaScript before using them. The learning is organized in a step-by-step process with new videos released each week, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on the upcoming videos. We'll be creating our reference website to keep track of all our learning. Then we'll use all our learning to create this beautiful modern website completely from scratch, using industry best practices and making it fully responsive on all devices and optimized for the internet. Let's see how the course is organized.
The introduction to web development starts at the beginning, from explaining exactly what web development is, how it's done, tools we will use, to also creating your very first web page as a complete beginner. Section 2. HTML. In Section 2, we're going to learn the fundamental building blocks of HTML and also create our reference project that we can use for future reference and to help us in our main project. The reference project is where we'll do all our learning, building it up piece by piece, then using what we've learned in our main project. I'll drop a link in the description to all the code used in my videos, in case you need it for reference. Section 3. CSS. In Section 3, we learn the fundamental building blocks of CSS to allow us to build and style beautiful websites. Everything from styling text, links, images, to CSS mobile responsive navigations, CSS animation, and all the fun stuff in modern websites. We'll also look at very useful common developer tools to check our code and aid our understanding of CSS. Section 4. JavaScript. In Section 4, we learn the basics of JavaScript, which allows users to interact with web pages, like click buttons and submit forms. We will use JavaScript to create our mobile device responsive navigation in our main project. Section 5. The web design section will show us how to make websites visually appealing, not just create them, as the front end of a website is what the users see and interact with. We'll learn industry standard techniques like white space, visual hierarchy, color schemes, and all the things that make websites look modern and beautiful. Section 6. Components. In Section 6, we'll see all the components we're going to use on our beautiful modern website in our main project, and we'll get a good understanding of each component before we build our project. Section 7. Project Setup. In Section 7, we'll plan out our project and make a few sketches and layouts on how we want our project to look and behave. Section 8. Project Development. In Section 8, we'll develop our project. We'll go through all the learning we've done so far in HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and also learn many valuable industry techniques in debugging along the way. We'll also make our project fully mobile responsive and look at performance. In Section 9, Project Deployment, we'll deploy our project and see what our beautiful website looks like on the internet. We'll also deploy it locally on our laptop for further development, and go through the process of updating our site live on the internet using Netlify. Section 10. This is the end and further advice section. There's a bonus section on how to start practicing and gaining valuable experience by attempting to create lots of websites from scratch. You'll create this amazing website. Look at how beautiful it looks, all from scratch on your own, from everything you've learned here today. There will be many challenges in this course and tests to help learning and understanding and make learning easy and fun. Practicing is the most crucial part of learning anything new. The more you practice, the easier it gets. I hope you enjoy web development as much as I do, and I'm so excited to be with you on this journey.
Hi, why not join me right now on this wonderful web development journey and check out the playlist for beginner web developers. Don't forget to subscribe and drop a few comments down below if you need any help or assistance. Let's get started.